Hi guys, I am Ujjwal. Let's review LG 7.2 kg semi-automatic washing machine. First of all, I'm saying some specification about this washing machine. Let's look at the back side. It's a 7.2 kg branded by LG, and it consumes 350 watt per hour for its washing purpose and 260 for its drying purpose. Okay. Let's see what it can do. This is an inlet pipe. We have the inlet here, and outlet is at the back side. Here we can see, here this is, we can hang it up when we are not using it. Okay, we have 4 buttons. Let's see clearly. This is the soak and wash timer. With that we can soak as well as use for wash. This is the wash selector. We have 3 modes: gentle, normal and strong. For gentle, when we are using the washing for gentle purpose, like light dresses, light clothes, and this is a normal mode, this is strong mode. Actually it is decided as per the rolling capacity of this machine. Let's see, this is the rolling disc. When we will adjust it to gentle, it will roll gently. When it will be fixed at normal, it will move a little bit more with little bit more speed, and the strong is better than that. Let's see the drain selector. This is the drain selector. When we use the washing process, we should keep it here. This is the wash rinse. This keeps the water into it, and when we select drain, the whole water will be drained out through the outlet pipe. Then the last one is spin timer. This is used for drying purpose. These have a time from 0 to 10. You can adjust it from 0 to 10 in between anything. And saying again that the soak and wash timer 0 to 40, 40 to 50 this for soak, and 15 to 0 is for wash. Okay, let's see what it has inside. This is the lead. This is the lead from the LG brand. This is used to cover the washing tap. Okay, what we have inside, we have this one a filter, here this one a filter. I'm telling you that you can open it out. Let's see what it have. When you use it, there will so many dirty things will be stuck it here. Okay, you should clean it properly like this. Here now it is clear, but when you will use it for many days, so many dirty things will be stuck here. Okay, now you can open it up and then fixed here like this. Okay, there are 2 things like this one and another is here. Let's see what is this. This is the height measurement. We can measure it like low, high, like that. According to this tap will be filled up. Okay, I will come here again. Let's see the spin. Look, there's a logo given by LG that is WinJet Dry. This is really very good, and this is one of the fastest drying machine you gonna have. Okay, this is the lid. This is the first lid, this is the second lid. This is for safety purpose, because this portion is very risky for especially children, so keep it safe from children. We have another thing, that is another lid. This is used to push all the clothes down, so that during the dry process clothes doesn't come out. Okay, you should just keep it in mind that you should put it on the clothes and push it down. Okay, I will show you later this. Okay, again I'm saying that it is 7.2 kg. There is a buzzer that alarms you when your process is done. Okay, I totally forget about this. This is a wash selector. This one is for this is, you can do this and this is for the washing purpose, and when you select this portion, the water will be pouring into this, the drying portion. Okay, so when you are washing, you should keep it here, otherwise the water will be gone there. Okay, there is a plug. I'm putting it. One more thing that you should know about this: when you switch it on, you should keep it here, otherwise the whole water will be drained out. Okay, I'm switching on. One thing, that you doesn't need any different type of power source. The power source is just ordinary, nothing else. Okay, I'm showing you this process without water. Okay. This is the alarm when you switching it off. Okay, the mode is now normal. I'm switching it to strong, and again let's see. Look, the rolling portion, it's rolling more than it was rolling in normal mode. This is the difference. When it is rolling more, your dresses will be washed better. Actually, this is for heavy clothes. I'm switching it off. Okay, so it's working fine. Okay, let's see the dry portion. Okay, actually I bought it 1 week before. I didn't use it. Okay, this is my first time using this portion. I've already used for washing, but didn't use for drying purpose. Okay, okay. Let's see. Yeah, this is a safety purpose. When you are opening the lid, the drying portion will be automatically switched off. This is so good. This is so good for child. Actually, not child, for everyone. This is so good. When you are again covering it, it again starts. Look, if you can, the whole thing is moving so fast. It's okay. I'm switching it off. I like this very much, because when you are opening the lid, it will be switched off. Okay, that's all, guys. So at last, look here, one thing I totally forgot. Here is something you should know about Interforce rat. This is given by LG. Actually the color is like that it will not attract the rat. This is specially made for keeping this machine safe from a rat. Okay, so at last I'm giving 5 out of 5 to this machine. It is so good, so you can definitely buy it. Thank you. Bye.